Welcome to the future of AI. Today, we're diving deep into Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4, a model that's not just pushing boundaries but rewriting the rulebook on what AI can do. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride through the cutting edge of technology. Anthropic, born from the minds of ex OpenAI visionaries, kicked off in 2023 with a bold mission: build AI that's safe, reliable, and truly gets us humans. Fast forward to 2025, and they've dropped Claude Sonnet 4, a beast of an AI that's here to shake things up. Now, I am prompting to Claude Sonnet to create a Markdown viewer with code highlighting and a working code copy feature. Claude Sonnet started working on it, and once the initial version was ready, I tested it. The first version was amazing, great UI experience, and everything was working fine except the code copy function. When trying to copy code, it was throwing an error. I then prompted Claude to fix this issue and it responded with an updated version, version 3. Now, everything is working perfectly, including the code copy functionality. Let me show you a report from a ChatGPT search. It says that online Markdown viewers get between 5,000 to 100,000 daily visitors. These websites run ads and are monetized. You can also publish this Markdown viewer, and once it gains traction and people start using it, you can monetize it too. So we can confidently say that we have built a real life working app that has the potential to generate revenue, all powered by AI, specifically Claude Sonnet 4. So, what's the big deal with Sonnet 4? This isn't your average AI. We're talking a hybrid reasoning monster with a jaw dropping 200K context window. That's like giving it the memory of an elephant on steroids. Plus, it pumps out up to 64K output tokens. But here's the kicker: it's not just about raw power. Sonnet 4 can flip between lightning fast answers and deep marathon level thinking. Need a quick fix? Done. Got a project that takes hours? It's got your back. Let's geek out for a sec. This thing's built on a next level architecture that makes it a rock star at coding, crunching data, and planning like a pro. Developers are losing their minds over it. Sonnet 4's coding game is so strong it's leaving older models choking on its dust. And safety? Oh, Anthropic's obsessed with that. They've baked in hardcore testing and ethical alignment, so this AI doesn't just think, it thinks responsibly. Want in on the action? You don't need to be a tech billionaire to play. Head to Anthropic's site and you can test Sonnet 4 for free. Feeling hardcore? Grab API access through Amazon Bedrock or Google Cloud. They've got tutorials, docs, and slick tricks like prompt caching to keep your workflow smooth and your wallet happy. Speaking of wallets, let's talk cash. Sonnet 4 starts at just $3 per million tokens. Yeah, you heard that right. And with features that slash costs by up to 90%, this isn't just for big corporations. Whether you're a startup hustler or a solo coder, this AI is priced to move. Now, where does Sonnet 4 flex its muscles? Everywhere. GitHub's already hooked it up to power their copilot, turning devs into coding ninjas. Customer support, it's churning out replies so smooth you'd think it's human. Researchers, they're using it to sift through mountains of data like it's nothing. This AI doesn't just handle complex tasks, it owns them. How does it stack up to the big dogs like OpenAI's GPT series? Simple. Sonnet 4's coding skills are sharper, its safety game is tighter, and it's built to tackle the long haul. It's not just about being smart, it's about being the kind of AI you can trust not to go rogue. And Anthropic's not hitting the brakes. They're deep in the lab, cooking up new ways to make AI safer and smarter. Claude Sonnet 4, this is just the warm up act. The future's looking wild, and they're leading the charge. Claude Sonnet 4 isn't just an AI model, it's a front row ticket to the future. Safe, powerful, and ready to flip the world upside down. Stick around, because this revolution's just getting started.